The designer that I have chosen to represent Milan is Bottega Veneta. Founded in 1966 by Michel Tadier and Kenzo Zingario, these entrepreneurs became famous for their use of intrasio, a distinctive leather weaving technique that can take some artisans up to 15 years to perfect. When Tadier got married to his wife Laura Braguillon, she joined the company and began working with the duo. Although the marriage didn't work out and ended in divorce, Laura stayed on in the company with her new partner, Vittorio. But, unfortunately, Michelle left. Favoured by the likes of Jackie Kennedy and documented by Andy Warhol, Bottega Veneta has spent a long time in the public eye. Unfortunately, in the 1980s, their popularity declined, and in later years, they filed for bankruptcy. In 2001, the Kering Group bought the brand and placed Thomas Maillet as the creative director. He redeveloped the brand to what it is today, removing logos and giving it a more simplistic look. Their collections grew naturally from just a few handbags to shoes, belts, clothes, and then finally jewellery. And also perfume, always keeping the products discreetly sophisticated. On the 1st of July 2018, Thomas stepped down as creative director and allowed Daniel Lee to take over. In my sketch, I wanted to use multiple types of leather to show off the amazing skills that the brand has developed throughout their years in the leather business.